Hi, my name is Barbara Apfel. I wanted to downsize my condo. I saw Lath on television, so I called him, and it was sold in one day. I'm so pleased. Call Lath Levada. I wanted senior living, so I immediately got into a senior community, and I love it here. And there's activities and barbecues and everything, and I'm not alone. It's really nice. You meet nice people. I'm a senior. I was very lonely. I was in a condo, very large. I couldn't keep it up. I saw Lath Levada on television, and he bought my condo for cash, and he bought it in one day. Now I live in a senior community. I'm with seniors my own age. I didn't even have to leave my condo. They bought all the paperwork to me. They told me to sign, where to sign at. I read everything, and I never left the house. Lath Levada, I called him, and he said I can move now. And the cash money was put into my account. Call Lath Levada if you want to sell your home for cash. I moved to a senior community, and it changed my life. I met a very nice gentleman, my age, and I'm engaged now, and I'm never lonely. He's always with me. He's very protective, and he loves me very, very much. Please call Lath Levada. Sell your property. Don't live in it. If you're a senior, go have a life like I did. And again, I met somebody, and I'm very happy. When it was time for me to move, Lath Levada told me that if I need some cash to move on. And I think that was really nice, because I didn't know about that. And I did not need it, and I was able to stay in my condo, my home, until I found a senior community. I wasn't asked to move right away. I told him how much time I needed, and I'm so happy now. And again, I sold my property for cash, which gave me the money to move on. I moved, and it was an easy move, and I came to the senior community. I bought all new furniture, and again, I fell in love with somebody here. Go and have a life. Sell your property. Don't stay at home and be lonely. A lonely senior is sad.